welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about art and craft. Now, as you all know, I've got myself a challenge to do a video every single day. So I thought I'll keep going with the Papercraft Essential Issue 180 magazine, and we're going to create another card. And this time we're actually going to use this pretty one here, as well as, hang on, no, it wasn't that one. This one up here that says "With Love." And one other sentiment which I took out of this one here, which is currently missing, and I'll show it to you in a second. So, to get started, let's get started. And again, I actually forgot to measure all the paper. So, let's just do that right now. Okay, where's my ruler? Okay, so we have 145 millimeters wide by 140 millimeters in height. Then our pretty paper is 138 millimeters wide by 132 millimeters in height. Okay, now the little sentiment I was talking about is this one here that says Christmas wishes. Okay, we're going to end up adding that to our card. Now again, it's going to be nice and easy to do. It's great for if you need to get a whole heap of cards out and you're running out of time. So I've got double-sided tape on this, and this one I've actually done slightly different than the other two that I've made the last 2 days, because let's face it, we don't want them all to be pretty much the same. So now I'll tell you what, this challenge of mine is probably going to get really interesting, because can I pull it off? Can I do a video every single day and try to keep it Christmas related? Well, you'll just have to wait and see, won't you? Okay, now I actually had the double-sided tape sticking out too much. So all I'm going to do with my X-Acto knife is pick it up and fold it over and stick it down onto itself. And it's now disappeared. And what we want to do is make sure we've got this the right way. And I'm going to try and center this the best we can and get it on reasonably straight. And of course it is a little bit harder for me because I've got to keep my head out of your way, don't I? Okay, with this one here, I actually put the foam tape on. I just put a heap of strips on. So if you want to post it to somebody, you know, it's not going to get damaged. They'll get it looking nice. Nothing worse than receiving a card that's damaged, so might as well make sure that it's going to be safe. And what we're going to do is stick that into the center, wherever the center is for me. I've got no idea, so I'm just going to say it's right about there. Now with this one here, I actually just sort of cut it so I can sort of center it with this paper, but I've got ribbon on either side. So instead of going all the way to the end, which wasn't going to work, I've done it so it's like that, and I'm going to stick that down here. So, whoop, where's my X-Acto knife? My lifesaver. Oh, that's right, I ended up putting 2 strips on here because it broke off. Ah, yeah. There we go. And then we are going to find somewhat the middle, which is about there. Put it down. I'm a little bit off, but that's okay. And what I was going to do is this one here, I also put some foam tape on it. So all I'm going to do is quickly take that off. And again, I made sure that, you know, it's less likely to be damaged if it was to go in the mail. And I'm actually going to stick that right about, right about there. See, I already changed my mind where I was going to put it. And there we have it. Nice, simple card, quick to make, great for if you've got heaps to do. And it's another one out of the way, and I even put this on crooked. How sad. See the trouble that I go through for you guys? Because I can't look from the top. I can't really see whether I'm getting it on straight or anything like that. However, I reckon it still looks pretty awesome. So, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I put new videos up. And considering this is a challenge, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, so it'll be interesting. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.